So I just got home from work and I kind of have an insane amount of PR to unbox. So who wants to see a PR unboxing? To save some time, I did open up the boxes to kind of get an idea. The first package we have here is from Anastasia, and I'm really excited because I think it's their new brow. Yes, it is. Ooh, it's their new brow pencils. These are like super cool. They are super, super thin, and what I like is they can go up. Ooh, 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 let's see. You see how like teeny tiny that is? That is so thin, and you can get like the perfect lines. Super excited. It looks like they sent me every shade. Every shade. So I probably won't need all of these, so I'll probably give them some away. But I do wear wigs though. I do wear wigs. So thank you so much, Anastasia. Next box is from Pixi, and this is actually the second box they've sent since I've started with the Ulta Beauties. Hi lovely, a little Pixi glow to get you ready for summer. Hope you love these from our Ulta assortment. With the glow, XOXO Petra. Okay, super exciting. Okay, ooh, okay, looks like we have it on the base glow. Ooh, a foundation stick. We'll have to check if this matches me. It's the shade Vanilla. We have a little blush. Ooh, some more sunscreen. We know how much I love sunscreen. And it looks like some caffeine and cucumber eye tags, eye bag, eye patches, and the hydrating milky mist. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Thank you so much, Pixie. Revolution sent over a super fun looking box. This is the Club Riviera. We got a little body glow beam and some body shimmer. It looks like a body butter as well. Looks like they sent both the light and the dark shade. And then there's a little lip oil. I always love a lip oil. And there is this palette, a face, eye, and lip palette. Ooh, let's see. I know some of the girls. Oh, okay, yeah, mine did. I'm gonna close that back up and repot that. Okay, mine did come broken. I'm gonna be careful and repress that. We'll look further into this later. It looks like Coco and Eve sent a box. It's their Bond Science. It looks like their bonding conditioner and shampoo. That's exciting. Looks like we have another hair package. This is from Pureology. And inside, looks like we have a travel shampoo and conditioner, a gloss, and a smoothing spray of their, what line is this? The Smooth Gloss Shampoo Shampooing. So it's about frizz control and shine. Perfect for the summer, because obviously this frizzy mess. And there's a little baggie. What's in the bag? I love this little silk bag. I love bags like this. And we have, oh, there's little dice. How cute is that? That's cute. I think it's like to pick your hairstyle. That's kind of fun. Should we do a challenge? I'm really bad at styling hair, but maybe that's what I learned this year. Maybe that's my 2026 goal. Okay, can we talk about how beautiful this packaging is? Okay, Kylie, let's go. Ooh. Okay, it is the coconut water lip stains, which, ooh, there's a pink. I'm excited for these. But yeah, I want to try these. Should I do a video swatching these and trying them on? And the new lip balms. I'm really excited for those because I love a lip balm. Thank you, Kylie. Oh, bag. Ooh. Oh, it's a note. It's from Polite Society. Oh, I love when they write my name. That is so sweet. Congratulations on being part of the Ulta Beauties Class of 2026. We can't wait to get to know you better. Please reach out. Has information to reach out for stuff. But oh my god, that's so cute. I think this is the bag that they got at FLC and Ulta World. My name's embroidered on it. They put my name on it. How? Thank you, Polite Society. And it looks like we have a moisturizing glaze mist. Ooh, I'm excited to try that with Rose Biotics. Ooh, we have their lip plumper. This is dangerous. I'm allergic to this, but I know several people who love this, so I will pass this on to people who love it. And then we have also, I'm allergic to like a lot of things in the world. No, this is a fabulous product. Just, I'm broken. And then we have a couple of their glossy bombs. And there's a pink. I have to see what the pink looks like. We know I love a pink lip gloss here. Ooh, okay, see. That's pretty. That is pretty. Thank you, Places. This big old box full of stuff from the Church and Joy Quote Ink family. So it looks like we have, oh my god, actually, I've been needing some more Mighty Patches. I was like running out, so Thank you. And then it looks like we have some Nair wax strips. Nair sent me some too before, so this is really nice, perfect for summer. We have some Viviscal hair growth supplements. Okay. More eye patches. My eyes need this so much. I have been so many late night concerts. Your girl is tired. And it looks like we have some more of the rinse off Nair and 2 Batiste dry shampoos. Again, I'm a Vivid girly. I always need dry shampoo, so this is phenomenal. Ooh, and some mouthwash. Another thing I've been running low on. Thank you guys so much. This is a really great box. This is all the essentials. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is crazy. I can't believe this is my life right now. I'm so just honored. Thank you guys so much.